Hi, my name is Josh Oshlack. I'm the founder of the Rhythm Village. We've been running music programs at schools in Sydney and across Australia since 2009. As a teacher, have you ever thought, I want new ways to engage my students individually and as a group? Are you looking for a cost effective music program to 100% engage every student no matter what their ability? Nowadays, it's getting more and more difficult to engage students, especially outside of technology. A Rhythm Village music program is 100% engaging for every student, no matter what their ability. It's designed to bring students together and bond positively and create a sense of belonging through rhythm and music. We bring out your students' self-confidence among their peers. And imagine hearing your students in the playground singing the songs that they've learnt together. Your students will be given the opportunity to show their creativity, self-expression, and simply to shine. Well, our music program is linked in with the music curriculum so we can help you, the teacher, to meet your teaching requirements. Let us do the singing for you. There's nothing worse than not knowing the best way to approach a subject. And we specialise in music, so we can help you deliver the curriculum outcomes for each stage. Well, let us relieve your stress and be the music department at your school. We have over 25 themes to choose from that are all 100% engaging and relevant. Some examples of these are music from around the world, music in the seasons, and an amazing Indigenous music program. We will provide you with a term plan broken down week by week. It will describe the activities and songs and the teaching resources. We bring all musical instruments for every student, so you don't have to worry about lugging the instruments from your storeroom or make any further investments. We also provide you with an educational pack so that after we finish the term, you have all the music we've used and can refer back to and revise it with your students. I'm sure you've already heard of the Wellbeing Framework for schools and think to yourself, am I doing the best I can for my students' wellbeing? And if you're a principal, deputy principal or assistant principal, are your teachers well equipped to meet these framework standards? Well, our aim is to help you create a teaching and learning environment that enables students to be healthy, happy, engaged, and successful. Well-being in schools is driven by the themes of connect, succeed, and thrive. Let us help you help your students feel a true sense of well-being. You may also be wondering, how do I create a real sense of inclusion and not just have it as another policy in your school? Music's been used for thousands of years, bringing people together, and it is still the most powerful tool for real inclusion. I've seen firsthand students working together that hadn't before and connect positively. The Rhythm Village music program will include every student 100%. Another great question is, will this program work with our students with additional needs? Well, we specialise in working with students with special needs, so we understand with full confidence how to achieve total engagement and learning outcomes. We've been working in music education for more than 15 years and have been at the same school year in, year out, becoming part of their annual program. We've been at a number of schools once a week, every week for 15 years, which is a testament to our professionalism and simply just how amazing our music program is. So here's the summary of what you will get from us. We work with every student in your school over any number of days. We provide all musical equipment and teaching resources. You don't need to bring a thing. You will get a Rhythm Village music facilitator, rigorously trained and all accomplished musicians. You will receive a term plan for the theme you choose, or we can customize a program for you. You'll also receive an educational pack to refer to after the program has concluded, so your teachers can continue to review and enjoy the program. So where to from here? If you'd like to engage your students 100%, bring your students together as a well-functioning group, invite us in to be your music program and meet your music curriculum outcomes. If you'd like to bring well-being to all of your students, provide real inclusion for everyone, no matter what their ability. Well, at the moment, we're offering you a free music workshop so you can see firsthand how incredible this music program is for your school. Click here to book in your free workshop.